In today's session, we will be working on Excel Chapter 10 Simulation Exam. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your exam without any confusion. If you need any help with MyITLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exam or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C Sharp, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and many more frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today exam and go through it step by step. The first question is that click the data tab and click from text CSV in the get and transform data group. Browse to the location of the file. This name are given. Select the file and click import. Select tab as the delimiter. Review the data for accuracy and then click load. Basically in this question you will have to import a CSV file in Excel. Go to the data tab, then go to get data, then go to from file and then click on from text CSV. This is the file that I have already downloaded. Then select this file and import. Then select the delimiter, comma, tab, then import the data. You can see that the data are imported successfully in the Excel worksheet. Now the next is rename the sheet to worksheet tab to brokers. Basically in this question you will have to rename the sheet from sheet 2 to brokers. Right click on sheet 2, then go to the rename tab, then write a name, sheet name, brokers, then hit enter. You can see that the name are changed successfully. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Next question is click the data tab and click get data. Click from database, select from Microsoft Access database and browse to the file e10 transaction.accdb. Click import. Select the transaction table in the navigation pane and click load. First we go to the data tab, then go to the get data tab, then go to the from database, go to the Microsoft Access. This database file I have already downloaded. Now open this file, select this file and click on open and import that. Click on this and click on load. The data are loaded in the my Excel workbook. Rename the new worksheet transaction. The data are loaded in new sheet. We will have to change their name from worksheet 2 to transaction. Right click on this, then go to the rename, click on rename and write a text name transactions, then press enter. You can see that the sheet are successfully renamed. Question are now completed. Now move to the next question. Click any cell in the transaction table, click the query tab and click edit in the edit group, click the date column, click the data type in the transform group and select date. The currency format will automatically apply to the selling underscore price column, click and close, then load in the close group to exit the Power Query editor. Close group, exit to Power Editor. Click on any cell in the transaction table and click the Query tab. We can go to the first we select any cell, then go to the Query tab, then click Edit in the Edit group. First we go to the Edit group, then go to the click on Edit and click the Date column. Click the Date column and then click Data Type in the Transform group and click on Data Type and click on this drop down Data Type and select Date. This is the date we have selected. The currency format will automatically apply to the selling price column. And click close and load in the close group to exit the Power Query editor. Then click on close and load, then close and load. The data are successfully loaded in my workbook. Now our next question is, click any cell in the brokers table on the Query tab. In the Edit group, click Edit, select the name column, click Split column in the Transform group and click by delimiter. Ensure space is selected from the select or enter delimiter list. Click leftmost delimiter and click OK. Click leftmost delimiter and click OK. First we go to the broker sheet, then click on any cell, then go to the Query tab, then go to the Edit tab, select the name column, or you select the name column, split the column in Transform group. Now we have split the column by column. Delimiter, ensure space is selected from the selected or enter delimiter list. Click on leftmost delimiter, then press OK. The changes are successfully applied. Our next part is double click the name 1 column and type first, then press enter. Next, double click the name 2 column and type last, then press enter. The city state column will automatically split. First we double click on this column and type first. Simply we type first, then press enter. Next, double click the name 2 column, then type last. First we double click on this and remove the previous text, then update the name last. Our next part is click the city state 2 column and click the Transform tab. Click on city state 2 and go to the Transform tab. Click the format in the text column. First we click in the text column group and select trim. In the Transform tab, you can see that text column group is here. Then we click on format, then click on trim function. Question are completed. Our next part is click the X located to the left of the step change type 3 in the applied steps box located in the query settings pane to remove the automatically generated step. The city state 1, city state 2 and city state 2.2 column will automatically be renamed. First we go to the query setting that are already open in the right side. Then go to the applied steps. First we select renamed column 1. Click the home tab and click close and load. Then we go to the home tab. Go to the home tab, then click on close and load, then close and load. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Click cell A1 on the transaction sheet. Click the data tab. Click properties in the queries and connections group, and then click the query property icon to the right of the name box. Click to select refresh data. When opening the file, click OK to next the query properties and then click OK again to exit the external data properties dialog box. First we select the cell, transaction ID, then go to the data tab, click properties in the queries and connection. In the queries and connection, go to the queries and connection group, then click on properties, click on query properties icon to the right of the name box, then click on this icon, click to select refresh data, check this box, refresh data when opening the file. Click OK to exit the query properties. First we click on the OK button, then click OK. Question are completed. Click the refresh all in the queries and connections group. Then go to the data tab, then go to the queries and connection group, then click on refresh all. Data are refreshed again. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Click the insert tab. Click the my add-ons arrow in the add-ons group. Select manage other add-ons. Select com add-ons from the manage box and click go. Select Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel and click OK. Then we can go to the insert tab and click my add-ons, then click on my add-ons, manage other add-ons, click on this and select com add-ons. In this drop down we can select com add-ons second number, then select Microsoft Power Pivot and go to go, then select Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel and click OK. Then we can check the box Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. First we select the Microsoft Power Pivot Excel, then press OK. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Ensure the transactions worksheet is active, select the range A1 to H51. Ensure the transaction sheet is active. First we click on the transaction sheet that are active mode. Select the range A1 to H51. First we select the range A1 to H51. We can use a simple mouse button. You can drag and last to the range H51. You can see that the range are selected. Then go to the Power Pivot tab, then click Add to the Data Model in the Tables group. Then go to the Add to Data Model group. Close the Power Pivot window. Then close the Power Pivot window. First we select the range. Click on this, then close Power Pivot window. Or to click on the cross button, the Power Pivot window are closed. Ensure the brokers worksheet is active. First we click on the brokers worksheet that are in the active. Select the range A1 to G6. First we select the range A1 to G6 and then click Add to Data Model in the Tables group. And go to the Power Pivot tab, then go to Add Data Models in the Tables group. Then close the Power Pivot window. Simply we click on this cross button to close the Power Pivot window. Questions are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 7. Create a relationship between the transaction table using the broker ID field and the E10 broker info table using the broker ID field. Close the Manage Relationships dialog box. Then go to the Data tab, then click on the relationship, then Manage Relationships. Click on New button. We have Add New Relationships. Or we select the Data Model table E10 broker info table. Click on this table and column foreign. We select broker ID and then broker ID. Then close the Manage Relationship dialog box. In this we can select broker ID, then click on the OK button. And press OK. The close Manage Relationship dialog box or disappear. We have now completed 7 questions of this simulation exam. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exam. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.